So finally NEO is jumping from yesterday pump over the $10. We still have our position open for NEO around this level of breakout zone, the $10, and we said the first profit taken is around the $10.56. And we're gonna discuss where the other profit taken for NEO, because we hunted NEO in our live streaming when we have this breakout from the $10. Next up, we got VKTX is bouncing from our support and resistant before around the 1634. We entered for this trade around this level of breakout, and we exited because we have a bit of weakness and the price went down and test again our support, and there's a potential for a squeeze. We're going to discuss where's the ultimate profit taken and where we should expect a short seller entering for this trade. Next up, we got FRC got rejected and have double top when the market opened around the 1493. That's why we want our hunter on our live streaming for today to watch out for a huge selling pressure, because the price didn't break the 1493. Now getting again near the other support around the 1360. TRKA jumped then dumped when the market opened around the 3147, which is a breakout zone. Support is 25. We're going to discuss the ultimate profit taken, and are we going to have another pump like what we did yesterday, almost 63% for TRKA. Today it's 10% down, but this is normal because this stock is heavily shorted. Plus, a lot of people got caught buying at the top, so we triggered the profit taken. So this is normal that the price is consolidating sideways. Now there's a special offer, 17 free stocks with my special link in comment section below. And those stocks that you can win is DKNG, Tesla, Amazon, and AMC, of course. And how you can win those free stocks? You can just open an account and get 1 free stocks. But if you deposit $100, you have the chance to win 7 free stocks in total. And of course, this offer end at the end of March. First, our stock on our list for today, which is NEO. Our trade is still open, and we're still up for today trade when we hunted for this stock around the $10 break, when we said after we break the $10 we're gonna have a massive buying pressure. The price actually bumped and now getting near our resistance, which is the first profit taking the $10.56. We expect another pump for NEO after we break the $10.56 to go toward a big pump toward the $13. Before the $13, we're gonna have a bit of resistance, of course, some profit taking triggered around the $11.65. So expect 2 profit taking after we clear the $10.56. The current support is the $10 at the time being. Next up, we got VKTX bouncing again from the 1634. This is our current support. We already discussed VKTX in our Discord channel and Patreon when we discuss the breakout zone for VKTX around the 1518, and we said the 1645 and the $18 should be our profit taken. We went for this profit taken the 16. Now we're going toward the $18, which is the profit taken for today and tomorrow market. FRC went down because we got double top around the 1490, so we expect the price getting rejected. That's why we said there is potential selling pressure once we didn't hold this support of 1440. So what we should expect? Yeah, the 1367 should be a support. Now we tested. I'm worried about a break from this support is me going toward again this $11.78. So we have to expect a bit of volatility again for FRC. So what we should anticipate and what we should do in this reaction for FRC, if we want to buy or enter for a new trade, I wait the 1490, which is will be a good reaction for FRC to have another volatility. We don't want to enter any trade when it's consolidating sideways, or even worse, still continue to go down. So we have to wait for the first signal for strength, for my opinion, around the 1493. So I will lower my alert around let's say the 1497, and of course another alert for this support is not that strong, but I will just put it here around the 1317. If we broke it, this means continue toward the $11.78. Next up on our list, we got TRKA. The price is still consolidating sideways. because we are between a resistance and a support. A resistance is the 31.47, a support is the 25.81. so here any price consolidates sideways here is mean we don't have a confirmation for a breakout for a bullish momentum or bearish momentum. If the price broke this support is mean a bearish control, and the price will get sold off once again, and we might have a bit of hold up above the 22, and we might see another low. So watch out. The 25.80 should be a support and like accumulation area for TRK to break the 31.40. And after we break the 31.40, that's why I put alert, we're gonna have another squeeze for TRK. Boom, another 40% around the 45 profit taking. We're gonna do pre-market update for TRK, FRC, Oscar, and the other stock if they pumped over those resistance in the pre-market. And of course, we're gonna do chart analysis update in the time being on our Discord and on our Patreon if we have those reaction by today before the market close, because everything goes. We have almost a few hours until the power hour, so everything can goes in power hour. And a lot of you asking what's mean power hour is mean a huge volatility. Usually when the stocks go ballistic and crazy in the opening bell or in a power hour where a huge whale will buy before the market close. So we have to be strategic, ready to hunt, let the price come to us, and never run after the price. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update.